Good morning, my name is Juliana Muhammad from class 5 Red.
Good morning, I'm Badr Tariq from class 5 Red.
Good morning, my name is Fatma Sami from class 5 Red.
Good morning, my name is Rani Michelle from class 5 Red. Importance of breakfast. Breakfast, as you have always heard, is the most important meal of the day. But have you ever thought why? Well, breakfast helps you break overnight fast and gives you energy to start a new day. This vital meal has proved to be linked to many healthy benefits, including weight control and improved performance.
Here are a few good reasons for including a healthy breakfast in your diet. Number 1. Eating breakfast is important for everyone, but especially for children and adolescents. Number 2. Children who eat breakfast perform better in the classroom and on the playground with better concentration and problem-solving skills.
It is important in refueling the body with energy and essential nutrients, including iron, calcium, vitamin B and C, which are necessary for growth, development, and good health.
It creates better mood and enhances digestion. It can reduce obesity, high blood pressure, heart diseases, and diabetes. In conclusion, breakfast is the most important meal of the day and should not be ignored by anyone. Thank you.